reports show frantic residents fleeing their homes, firefighters battling tirelessly against Los Angeles, a city of dreams, glamour, and unfortunately fire. Nestled amidst dry brush and steep canyons, this sprawling metropolis faces a yearly threat: wildfires. These aren't mere bonfires, they are raging infernos, sweeping across thousands of acres, leaving devastation in their wake. They burn homes, displace families, and scar the landscape, a constant reminder of nature's raw power. The sight of flames licking the Hollywood Hills is tragically familiar. News reports show frantic residents fleeing their homes, firefighters battling tirelessly against the blaze. It's a stark reminder of the precarious balance between urban life and the untamed wilderness at its doorstep. But what ignites these infernos, and how can we protect the city we love from their destructive power? The truth is, Los Angeles sits on a tinderbox. The region's hot, dry summers turn vegetation into kindling, primed for ignition. Add to that the Santa Ana winds howling down from the mountains, fanning any spark into a raging inferno. Climate change exacerbates this, bringing hotter temperatures and prolonged droughts, turning the landscape into an even more potent fuel source. But nature isn't solely to blame. Human actions play a significant role too. Carelessly discarded cigarettes, faulty power lines, even a stray firework can spark a catastrophe. As the city expands further into the wildland-urban interface, the risk multiplies. More homes nestled amidst flammable vegetation mean greater potential for ignition and more lives and property at stake. The immediate impact of a wildfire is undeniable. Homes reduced to ash, businesses destroyed, lives tragically lost. The Woolsey Fire of 2018, for instance, burned nearly 100,000 acres, destroyed over 1,600 structures, and claimed 3 lives. The human cost is immeasurable. Families displaced, communities shattered, the emotional scars running deep. But the damage goes beyond the immediate. Wildfires pollute the air with harmful smoke, impacting respiratory health, especially for children and the elderly. The charred earth, stripped of vegetation, becomes susceptible to mudslides and erosion, threatening water quality and infrastructure. Wildlife loses their habitats, ecosystems are disrupted, and the delicate balance of nature is thrown into disarray. Facing this annual threat, Los Angeles has developed a multi-pronged approach. First and foremost are the firefighters, brave men and women who risk their lives to protect the city. They battle the blazes with cutting-edge equipment, using helicopters for aerial assaults, and employing sophisticated fire modeling to predict fire behavior. But firefighting is only one part of the solution. Local authorities are implementing stricter building codes, encouraging fire-resistant materials and landscaping. Public awareness campaigns educate residents about fire safety, urging them to create defensible spaces around their homes. Early warning systems using sirens and mobile alerts ensure timely evacuations, saving lives. While the threat of wildfires will always loom over Los Angeles, there is hope. By understanding the risks, embracing preventative measures, and fostering a spirit of community preparedness, we can minimize the devastation and build a safer future for the City of Angels.